Good day, everybody. My name is Robert Miller with Miller Education Ventures. Another follow-up video about Legendary Marketer. I'm still locked and I can't proceed until I book another call with their high-ticket closer. Now, I do know that the next step is for them to try and close you on a $2,500 program. I do not know what's in the program. I have no clue, and I got no interest in what that $2,500 is going to get you. But the people that were reaching out to me within the group, private group in Facebook, I've had a couple of people recently. I had one lady this morning from New Zealand reaching out to me and asked me my opinion about it now because she saw my earlier video. Now, here's the thing with Legendary Marketer, there's nothing wrong with you to go after that program if you've got the money to spend for $2,500. And I'm not saying it's good or bad, but it's great for a beginner. If you're a seasoned person who knows your way around building funnels, knows your way around affiliate marketing, and knows how to basically market, it would be a waste of money, in my opinion. But if you're a beginner, it's a good starting point. Now, this individual that reached out to me this morning, actually it was probably the middle of the night to them, it was in early first thing this morning that I got the message. It is a good program, but it's quite high priced. It goes from an entry fee of getting into the 15-day challenge of $7. But here's the thing, if you go directly to the website, legendarymarketer.com, you can get in for not $7. You can get in for $3.50. Just take your mouse and pretend you're exiting, and it'll give you a discount for $3.50. So anyway, the next step for him to do is close you on $2,500. So either A, you open your wallet, or B, you close your wallet. But like I say, it's good for beginners if you don't have a clue what you're doing. Now, doing affiliate marketing is not rocket science. I do not recommend ClickBank. I do not recommend a lot of the other affiliate marketing programs that are out there in terms of anybody and everybody can get in and do it. What I recommend is Warrior Plus, and the reason being is because the people that are creating the products in Warrior Plus, you have to get approved by them to be able to market their product. And it is very hard sometimes if you're a beginner to be able to get approved to market their product. Now, myself, I've been approved for a few of them, but here's the thing. Do not apply to too many programs at once. Focus on one product, getting that off the ground, going to the second product, that, and so forth. But there's got to be some consistency. If you're going after health products, you got to stay within health products. You can't leap into, say, making money online. You cannot leap into pet industry. You got to have some consistency. So anyway, I just wanted to reach out and give you guys some more information about Legendary Marketer. If you're a beginner, it's a good program. A beginner. But how many beginners have $2,500 to throw away? So just be aware of that. If you have any questions or concerns, you can reach out to me either on my Facebook page at Miller Education Ventures or even on this YouTube channel. And I appreciate your feedback. Have a wonderful day.